নমস্কার, আমি লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্ত সকলকে স্বাগত জানাই আজকের ইউটিউব এপিসোড নাম্বার 118 and today's episode is on Bengal cotton handlooms and very soft quality Bengal cotton dhakais. So let's get started without wasting time. Wearing a soft cotton dhakai, I've made the mannequin wear one also. These are soft Bengal cotton dhakai. This doesn't have a blouse piece. And this is fully Meena woven, rupees 3250. The color is light pista and it's very soft, comfortable and all over Korath weave. This is a particular term we use for this kind of weave. It's a Korath weave and it's in soft Bengal cotton dhakai. Usually they don't have a blouse piece, so you have to wear a, like I've made the mannequin wear a yellow color, you can wear a same pista color also. It look very pretty. Product number 1, lemon color, Mathapar pure cotton, handloom, Bengal, solid color. See, it has a texture. It has a slab texture in the cotton. Can you see the texture of the product? It's pure cotton and it has a slab texture, 100% cotton. Single color with single color Mathapar. Very smart looking but at the same time traditional, ideal for regular wear, soft colors. This is the blouse piece in sea green. The body color is lemon and it has a woven pallu. Minimum range cotton sarees, ideal for gifting also, for summer collection. And I'm sure you can see the blouse piece. It's sea green. I've shown the blouse piece and this is the pallu. 2500 rupees with woven pallu and solid color. So you can wear lovely jewelry with this, or even for corporate wear, for regular wear, for this is a very pretty sari. Even for small gatherings where you can regularly wash and wear, this is a nice product. So here comes product number 1. Similarly, I'll show you few more colors in this. This is a pinkish lavender. It's actually pink color, but it has a tone of lavender. Mauvish pink color, very pretty color. Since it's a bit dual tone, it has a tinge of mauve, but it's actually pink, strawberry pink, with dual tone sea green border, sky blue sea green border. The woven pallu, you can properly see the weave. It has big pallu with tassels, 2500, with sky blue blouse piece. Contrast sky blue blouse piece, make the blouse with this itself because it will give a very classy different look. Soft colors, ideal for day wear also. Pure cotton Bengal hand woven handlooms, 2500. Few more colors in this. Olive, with rust border, dual tone, and here comes the pallu. Very elegant, since these are all solid color, but it has a Tana Bana, the black thread along with an olive thread with a contrast blouse piece. Here is the pallu. Sure it's clear now. Minimum range pure cotton sarees. Puja is coming, so you can also make these collection for gifting also. And you know how lovely, we all love handloom sarees. Magenta, with navy pallu. To see the the still pictures of this products, you have to check into Facebook page Sanskriti Kolkata. All the still products of these video will be uploaded in the handloom album in Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page. Please like the page. The link is already provided. Also the Insta page. And we have two branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. And the other one is 12 Jamir Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. We are now running 26th year, and with your support and love, we have two branches like I said, and with your support and love, we have already crossed more than 10,500, almost 11,000 subscribers. Do like, share and subscribe to get regular notifications, and also check in our Facebook page for regular uploads and more collection. As I said, two branches. One is in 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19 near the Citizen Park, and the other one is 12 Jamir Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19 near Baliganj railway station. Both there is car park. Sundays we are closed. Monday to Saturday 10 to 8 p.m. we are open. Reply within 10 to 24 hours you will get the reply. We are releasing new videos of variety of products almost alternate day. So please check in our page and our channel also. In store you will get many more variety of these kind of products, but to get this particular one you have to prior book it, and for that the two numbers are already provided. See the colors. This is in peacock blue, and the blouse and the pallu is in contrast. I'll closely show you the weave of this. It's a beautiful woven pallu and contrast blouse piece, and the price, as I said, 2,500 rupees only. Now coming to another category. This is very soft cotton muslin. Usually muslins are little see-through, but this is cotton mix, so it has a heavier count. I love this Manipuri woven border. This has a matha border, and this has small, Manipuri, the cotton Manipuris that we see in the emporiums. These are lovely. Similar border has been done in this sari. It is a dual tone slate color with red border and red stripe woven pallu. Very simple sari but extremely classy. Wear it with a red blouse. Even this sari has a lovely blouse. 2350 only. 2350 for this sari. 2350. Very smart looking handloom, and these solid colors with sleek borders look very nice, especially when you wear with junks like what I'm wearing today. These kind of silver junks, or even with handmade jewelries, these look really pretty. And anybody you gift, nobody will say they didn't like it. They love this Dude Alta colored blouse piece. This is the sari. Soft, lightweight, ideal for gifting your parent, for your mother or in-law also, or your aunt, whoever, your loved ones, because these are lightweight and very easy to carry, comfortable and summery. This is a beautiful linen sari with inch border. See, a very sleek inch, not even a half, it's more less than half an inch border in the upper part, and it will have a broad silver zari woven lower border. And here is the pallu. I myself had worn it in one of the television programs I did earlier. Very smart looking sari, and since it's handlooms, slate color, anything. In fact, I love this grey color, charcoal grey, black, slate, grays. They look so rich even though it's a dusty shade, but on wearing there's nothing more grander than a slate color. Here is the running blouse piece for this, but of course you can wear a black blouse also. And I think the price is 3,000 something. Let me check the price in case I miss out. Please take the screenshot. Yes, 3750, 3,750 rupees for that linen. Now again coming to cotton, Chettinad cotton style, but it's from Bengal. So you can see the dual tone Ganga Jamuna border. This is the paisley border, double bordered in the paisley border, solid color, royal blue with magenta and mustard Ganga Jamuna border with the pallu in stripes, and these are priced rupees 1990 only, 1990 rupees, pure cotton Bengal handloom. Running blouse, all with running blouse piece. So instead of cutting this blouse, you can keep the sari long and you can wear it with any printed blouse. You know, you get the Rajasthani block printed blouse pieces, they look very smart with this. $1990, so I'll show you few colors in this. Magenta, with peacock blue and mustard border. See how rich this is looking. Within 2000 range you are getting a beautiful short color matapar broad border with solid color magenta cotton sari, but it's a, you know, very smart looking actually. Full length and height. 1990 rupees with running blouse piece. Here comes the pallu. Number 10, Viridian green with red and mustard border. Aren't they gorgeous? In this range, you know, sometimes I get the comments that please show lower range stuff also. So those who are looking for gifting purpose or regular wear saris, little economical range ones. So these you can check out. These will be within your budget and pocket friendly also. For gifting, pujas are almost near the corner. So for that also these will be ideal options. Now coming to few more handlooms. Bengal cotton handloom. Beautiful weave. Just see the weave in stripes. These are in horizontal type, but these are all figure correction saris. When you wear it, it looks extremely smart. I had worn a white one and also grey one in initial episodes, and price is only rupees 2000 rupees. With running blouse, and these are all weaves, not print. These are all weaves in red. With this, it has a running blouse. I keep asking my weaver to make a solid color blouse, but then they charge more. So in that case, I told you don't have to give anything. So you must be having a black blouse or a I think a solid color blouse will look best with this because it's stripes, and definitely wear it with a solid color blouse. Even a white blouse would look nice with this. This color is also very smart. Again, my love for grey. Grey, black and Rani. Magenta rather. Isn't it rich? The pallu. With this you can go for a solid magenta blouse, or of course again a black blouse. But I still feel black blouse, even a sleeveless black blouse or a glass sleeve black blouse, solid color will look best with this. Or one more thing, I suppose if you are good in styling, which I am not, you can wear a black shirt with this. How is it? Rupees 2000, Bengal cotton handloom. And another color I will show you in this product number 13. This is a more lively color. Yellow, sky and pink. All rupees 2000 only. See the color combination, the weave, the softness, the feel and the overall look once you drape these stripes. Now coming to Dhakai. Soft Bengal cotton Dhakai in pastel pink. See the weave. These are all Bengal woven with zari weave also. We love Dhakais, and that too in this kind of lovely weave. 3250 range is also economical, and you know it doesn't have a blouse piece because it doesn't last. This fabric in blouse doesn't last, so that's why. And moreover, you have to give a lining. It's best to make a voile cotton blouse with this, Rubia cotton blouse with this pink color. Very pretty. Soft Bengal cotton Dhakai. 3250. Now black and white. There are many weaves in Bengal Dhakai. So this previously I had shown you more of Jamdani kind of weaves, the floral ones. This time I am showing you a bit more, you know, Korat weaves. Diagonal in leher style and more geometric. Black and white, again wear this with a black blouse. 3250. These weaves are more gorgeous, and I mean a little different, traditional weaves, not the big Jamdani floral ones. White on white Dhakai is a must, and the one that I am wearing is a different weave. That one I am showing you is a different weave. This is the same that the black and white I showed you. See the weave. And usually I was planning to wear a same white blouse with this white sari with a white blouse with loads of junk jewelries, starting from my choker to a little longer one. Then I thought that it will be difficult for me to show saris wearing so much of junks, so I opted for a contrast blouse. Now please don't ask for this blouse because it's a 15-year-old blouse, and I'd got a order for this, around 50 blouses for the bride and the bride's friends and all. So then I had made one for me also, and then I had made for few for my customers also. But now this fabric is no more available and not possible, so just check out the sarees only. You can wear a contrast embroidered different blouses, which we've showed in other episodes. So this is a soft Bengal cotton white, milk white saree with white weave along with zari. Soft, lovely white thakai, looks just amazing, and it's a must in every wardrobe, a white thakai. And especially the white thakai, you have to have a very good weave. And also if you want a black thakai, the weave should be very good. Buy one, but the best weave possible. This is a beautiful thakai weave, and the price is 3250 for this. Even the one that I am wearing, see, this weave is also different. That weave was different, this weave is also different. This is a bit more bolder. This is the pallu. No blouse for these dhakais. Can you see the weave? It's a very rich traditional weave in cotton dhakai. This price is also 3250. 3250 rupees for this also. Bengal cotton soft dhaka. You can wear it with bottle green blouse also, or a red and white printed, or a full white blouse. Product number 17, again 3250 in yellow. Wow, golden yellow. Ideal for the haldi ceremony. See the weave. Self solid color sarees. Very comfortable. The whole day you wear it, you won't feel, you know, it's so soft and comfortable. And the weave is till the end. Actually, the plain part is part of the blouse, but those are only 60 centimeter blouse, so best not to cut the blouse piece. Just wear a same color or a contrast blouse with this. You know, with this yellow, a white and yellow block print blouse will also look nice. Now talking of white and yellow, here comes another beauty. 3250, white, yellow, green, red, white, milk white with, see the weave, all over weave with Mina. 3250. Korath weave. I have 3-4 pieces of each weave, so hopefully I'll be able to give stock, but once it's gone, no more recreation. So you have to be quick in your bookings. Very soft. Especially when you see it single vein, you can see the weave properly. This is 19A. Why? Yes, this I've got only one piece, but both the weave is different. That's why I'm showing you. The combination is same, but the weave is different. This is partly pallu style. The body will be milk white, no border, no contrast border, rather it has a woven border with yellow pallu. Pleats will be again golden yellow, and the rest again white. So here is the partly pallu style soft Bengal cotton dhakai. (19B). Okay, this price I said, did I say 3250? 19B. This is with red, not white. 3250. Same thing, Instead of white and yellow, it is red and yellow. Again, this would be lovely for Gai Holud. Pleats in golden yellow and the body part again in red. Very gorgeous red and yellow, bright red with yellow, golden yellow. Some pastels. Number 20A3250. Lovely shade of leaf green, you can say, with pink all over weave. The lower part will have a broader border, jamdani, and the rest would have the diagonal floral border. Pallu in Korat geometric weave. The color is very pretty. You can easily wear it to any weddings and wear your gold jewelry and really stand out. $20B. It's a very unique color. What do I say? It's a dusty powder blue, you can say. With this also you can wear a red blouse. Very smart color. These earthy colors also look very nice. Where the weave stand out very well in Dhaka depending on the color. The best part to select a Dhaka is first the color and then the weave. The color is very important in Dhaka. Please like, share and subscribe the channel to get regular notifications of variety of weaves and embroidery, kachwa, kalamkari. We have the menswear section also. There we've done a menswear album also. In Cornfield Road we have the men's ethnic wear section. So please visit for kurtas and ethnic shirts. 3250 for this grey and red. The upper part, the body part will have the polka weave and the rest half will have this Korat weave, diagonal Korat weave. So it's half and half sari, not half by difference in the color but by the weave. The pleat will be in diagonal Korat weave and the rest body part will be in polka. And here comes the pallu. Grey red, wear it with a solid red color blouse, double temple border. And B is the same thing, only the color is light biscuit color. 3250. So all the sarees I guess I've kept 3250 range in this episode. Our Dhaka is basically starts from 2500. Before we used to sell for 2200, but those are not soft Dhakais. Those are starched. So people, you can starch this, but people prefer softer ones. Pallu. Again the body in polka. The rest half in Korat geometric stripes. I hope it's clear now. And the last one, 223250 again. solid color, light pista. Previous ones there was Meena, the mannequin was wearing with a Meena. This is solid color. 3250, the last one. Light olive. This is the pallu. And like I said, my sari, I've already told you the price, it's 3250. And the neck piece, it's 1600 along with the earring. This is the pair of earring with this. 1600 for the set. So hope you like the episode. Thank you so much. Namaskar.